Annyeong Ateez, how are you? Today we're going to unbox something really special. The Ateez summer photo book. So I'm so excited about this. I've been waiting for it forever. This was like a birthday present to myself. So I'm very excited to share it with you guys. Got this free photo card with our lovely Hwa and Mingi. Oh my god. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Look at how beautiful they are. Mingi's cute dimple and the Hwa hair and the lips. Oh, okay. So let's start. Okay, we're back and let's get started. So the store also has like this rule that when you pre-order something, they give you a random free photo card as well. So I got this one as well for free because apparently the store owner really likes me, and because I'm a regular customer now, so he's really sweet. And then I got this one as well. Okay, I don't know who it's gonna be. Okay, 하나, 둘, 셋. It's Sunny and Yeosang. Ah, this is so pretty. Look at how beautiful they are. Sunny and Yeosang이. Yay! Just chilling summer. I'm share also the DVD with you guys. This is the DVD version. Oh, I love this. Okay, so this is the front. Next one team. And this is the back. Oh, it's like a little package there. Oh my god. Oh no! Oh no! Captain! Oh my god, there are more photo cards! Holy moly! More photo cards! So I've got Captain. Oh! Will you look at that? Oh my god! Oh my god! You with a little bunny. Oh no. Yeosang이. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Sunny. And the Sunny dimple. Oh. Mingi. Oh. Young. With the beautiful jawline. Oh my blood. Like Yeosang이 said. Oh, Jungkook. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe I got photo cards of all of them. I did not know that. I didn't want to spoil what's inside, so I just bought it like that without thinking because I wanted to be surprised. Okay, this looks like a Polaroid film. So let's see. This is a Polaroid. So we've got here Oyoung and Yuyu. We've got, oh, okay. I think you guys can see better now when I put my hands in there. And my rings are not helping. And Songhwa and Mingi and Sunny. Oh, so sweet. Oh my god. Oh, thank you Ateez for spoiling us. It was quite expensive though. It's like buying 2 albums, but this is definitely worth it. Ooh, okay. So this is the DVD. Making DVD. And then the members' names. There you go. Ateez 4th photo book. Oh my god, I can't wait. I can't wait to play it. Okay. Oh no! These are like postcards. Oh. Oh my god. I apologize for the aggressive ASMR. Oh my god. Oh my god. Insert the Lulu thoughts here. Look how he's drowned in the Lulu thoughts as well. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my Hwa. Oh no. Oh no, Yuyu. Oh. Yuyu. He's been bias wrecking me a lot. Ah, look at Yeosang이. with the glasses. Nerdy. Nerdy Yusami. Oh my god. Holy moly. Why do they look so good with glasses? Oh my god, Sonny. Oh my god, more glasses? Oh no. Mingy always looks good with glasses. Oh, he's lighting up like a candle. Oh, baby bear. Look at that cute face and the cute smooch. Oh, Captain with his blonde hair. Oh, I actually miss the blonde hair on Captain. But I think the brown hair looks... What's that? I'm already dying. Oh, who's your vacation mate? Oh, this is like a quiz. Oh, look how happy they are. Beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, I'm definitely gonna do that. Who's your vacation mate? Can I pick Matt's, please? I want Matt's to be my vacation mate. Although all of them would be amazing for a vacation mate, because all of them would bring different energy. Yusangi definitely would put a smile on everyone's face, and San and Maggie. Oh man, young choice. Oh, Joey. Oh my god. Why do they look so beautiful? Oh, it is Ateeny wave. Dombe, come back. Gotta work. Oh, so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. What lyrics come to mind when... Don't be afraid, face it with more strength, because we are hotter than anyone else under the sun. Of course you're hot. Somewhat. You don't need to tell us. We already know that. This is so lovely. Oh, Yu-Yu. Yu-Yu with the marshmallow and Yu-Yu with the bag of chips. Oh, dancing like butterfly wings. Dancing like butterfly wings. Oh, 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 oh. This song makes me sad, even though it's a happy song, because they all like dance and have fun together on stage. They're so cute. Oh, you sang you with the marshmallows. I'm gonna cry, you guys. This is just too cute. Oh, shine like eternal sunshine. We shine like eternal sunshine. Today I woke up with Dreamers in my head. I don't know why. Oh, Sonny, cutest cat ever. Lyrics come to mind. Mingy, 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 Mingy. Oh. Oh. And then Jongwoo. The moment I felt the splendid sparkle. You always sparkle. Jongwoo, with your beautiful vocals. This is so pretty, like a diary. There more? Oh, what is that? Is it like a... Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh. Oh my god. Look at that, you guys. So beautiful. Oh. They look so beautiful. Oh. Let me see if I can zoom in a bit. This the material is like a scarf kind of cloth, so pretty. Oh. My god, the photo book is really big. Stamp here. Okay. Bonjour. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Whoever thought of that is a genius, really. Look at that. It's so beautiful. for those two men a bit. Oh, the whole... Can he keep his long hair forever, really? Oh, okay. Can we zoom in? Yes, we can zoom in. We can zoom in. Yes. Oh my god. Can we take a moment to appreciate that? Yes, we can. I'm gonna keep zooming in, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. No, I don't think I'm gonna be forgiven for that. Oh my god. Here's the abs I was talking about. Oh my god, those eyes and those lips and the hair. Oh, Mingy. They look so beautiful together. I'm glad they placed them together. Oh, Yu. The cutest Yu ever. Such boyfriend material he is. I think everyone wants to be his boyfriend. His girlfriend, sorry. Or boyfriend. Whatever floats anyone's boat. I'm sure everyone wants Yu. Oh, Uyang. So beautiful. Sunny. Sunny in the pool. Such a tease, Sunny. You are. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't think I've ever liked lemons more than now. Because Yusangi is holding one. Right. It's so beautiful. A beautiful face. Oh. Oh, I love that they paired like them together. Oh, this is such a beautiful picture. Oh my god. Oh, all of them in white. Just so beautiful. Oh. Today we set out on an adventure. Oh, our diary. That's so cute. Is that Jungwoo? Little baby bear there. Or is that a cat? Yes, that's Jung Bear. See? I knew it. Oh, that's so cute. Yu. That's Yu Sung. See him one. There it is. He's so cute. Doberman. He's still torn between being a Doberman or a Maltese. He's so cute either way. That's Sonny. Sonny. Oh, this is so cute. Written by Ateez. Oh, this is Uyong. I'm gonna try to share this with you guys so you can see. Okay. Oh, our summer outfits. It's so beautiful. I'm trying not to fangirl so much, guys, so if I'm silent, it's because I'm enjoying the video. Oh, so relax and so casual. Oh, he just lights up the sky, the whole world, really. He does, doesn't he? Oh. Oh my god. Baby bear. Imagine you guys on a camping trip with those handsome men, having marshmallows and just having fun, telling stories, sharing your lives. This would be a dream come true, wouldn't it? Right? I'm imagining it with you guys now. Imagine that beautiful face, Hong Juni's face. Beautiful Hong Juni. Oh, I miss the blonde hair. Father and son. It's always Mingy. It's always Mingy driving Captain crazy. Oh my god. Mingy with the glasses looks really, really nice. Marshmallow plus Yu equal yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, Sonny is so cute with the glasses, with the marshmallow. Marshmallow, Yusangi as well. Now I want to have marshmallows, jeez. It wouldn't be the same without Ateez though, right? Yeah, it wouldn't. Oh, look how cute they are. I hope they're always going to be together, happy and having fun and thriving. I don't think I've ever cared about a band as much as I care about Ateez. I know I say I like Stray Kids, but Ateez are my number one, definitely. Oh good lord. Oh good lord, that blue. Oh my god. This is so big. This is so big. Oh my god, such a big photo book. Must have taken them ages to make it. Kudos to the team, really. Sunshine and his dimples. Oh, this is so beautiful. Really, really so beautiful. Okay, I really want to go on a camping trip with them. Right? Doesn't anyone want to? I want to go. I want to go with them. Okay, let's zoom in a bit. Okay. Okay, zoom in over. Oh, young. You with the chips. Oh, he's so dreamy, you. He's so dreamy. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. Oh man. Oops. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna be silent because I'm dying inside. I'm sure all of us are with me, right? Yeah. Oh, so cute. You sang. Oh, they have it actually translated into English and in Japanese as well. That's so nice. So what did San say? It was drizzling today. I had an egg tart at this cafe and they were so good. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, okay. We're coming to the end of it, guys. There you have it. That's the summer house. And this is the credits. Thank you, KQ. You really have been amazing and you spoiled us with this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this amazing summer book. I look forward to more and more videos with you guys for Ateez and other K-pop material.